Hello friends and welcome to the beautiful island of Majorca, Spain. In this video we take you on a hike to the natural bridge in the Calo Blanc Bay on the east coast of Majorca. The bridge over a cave in the sea is a mega photo and Instagram hotspot that you shouldn't miss. We started our hike from Cala Romantica in Cestany d'en Mas. The countless hiking trails always lead along the coast to the Calo Blanc Bay. The path is rocky and should be walked with sturdy shoes. But the views on this hike are simply fantastic. Friends, if you like the video, give us a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our other adventures. At this point we saw climbers abseiling from the cliff and jumping down into the water. There are many caves under these rocks that can be reached by excursion boats from the water. The natural bridge is simply fantastic and beautiful. It is definitely worth doing the hike along the coastline to marvel at this beauty at the end. The hike took about 1 hour one way. We hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to seeing you again in the next video. See you soon. Your Jack.